Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I am showing you the best ChatGPT tips and tricks for beginners in 2025. Whether you are using it for work, school content creation or just for fun, these tips will instantly make you more productive and creative. So let's dive right into it. So first, use role-based prompts. So instead of just asking question, assign ChatGPT a role. For example, you can say that act as a professional copywriter, write a product description for this. Like here, I'm going to tell him act as a professional writer, write a product description for Amazon, and let's hit enter. When you will get whole post like writing in here actually, so it will take a couple of minutes, so we just need to wait a bit. Once it's done, then we will see the result. So this sets context and improves the quality of relevance of response. Now let me give a bonus tip that you can combine roles like act as a marketer and SEO expert. So here actually you can see that already ChatGPT give us an absolute copywriting, like absolute to get started. I need few quick details about your product. So give me the product name, type, and the key feature print, and they will provide us whole copywriting in here. So now let's talk about tip 2, that be specific with your prompts. Like blog input is equal to generic output. For example, instead of write a blog about AI, say write a 500, like here you just need to write a 500 word blog in friendly tone about how students can use AI to study faster. And here you can see this is the prompt. You can note it if you want to note it, you are able to do it. So you just need to hit enter, and the more detail you give, the tone, length, target audience, the better the result you will get here. So when you did, then prompt will think of prompts like an instruction to a smart assistant. So here they will generate us the prompt in here, and you will eventually see the result actually. So here actually you can see already they provided us 500 word blog in here, and you can use this blog in your blog post in your website also. Now let's give you number 3 tip, that use custom instructions. So in ChatGPT setting, you just need to go to the custom instructions. So here you just need to click to these setting options. Once you click over here, then you will find out this setting. From that options, you can personalize it as it you want. So you can tell ChatGPT like how would you like to respond. For example, short, long, formal, friendly. What it should know about you. For example, I'm a YouTuber creating tech content. ChatGPT will personalize all response going forward. Save your time repeating the same info in each sessions. This is another great thing. So you can use this tip for your uses in further. Now let's give you number 4 tip, that asks it to critique your work. So you can upload or paste content and say give me constructive feedback on this article, or what can I improve in this email. You can even ask for grammar fixes, tone edits, or SEO improvements. General for writers, students, and marketers and freelancers. Now let's talk about tip 5, that generate and organize ideas. Like ask ChatGPT to brainstorm for you. Give me 10 YouTube videos idea for productivity here. Like this, you can write it. Give me 10 YouTube video ideas for productivity, and you will get 10 brainstorm in here. Or you can say that list blog topics for fitness coach targeting busy moms. Or you can then follow up, organize this by category, turn this into a content calendar. Like here you can say that turn this into a content calendar here, and you can hit enter, and you can get absolute result from that place. It is perfect for content creators and business owners. So here actually you can see they are giving us the content calendar. So you just need to wait a bit that week 1 you can see give this content like tools review Monday, Thursday, Saturday. So it is really helpful. I hope you understand. Now you can use it for yourself if you are a content creator. Now let's give you number 6 tip, that use ChatGPT for learning anything. Like you can literally say explain blockchain like I am 10 years old. Like here that you can see you have it the free plan limit for chat 40 response. Will use another model until you limit or reset this time. So here I am going to ask ChatGPT use ChatGPT for learning anything. Like I can say that explain blockchain like I am 10 years old, and then you just need to hit enter and you will get whole things. Or you can say that take me Excel formulas step by step. It can quiz you, summarize books, or turn topics into flashcards. Just type make a study guide for beginners graphic design, a tutor book summarized and was generator in one. It is an amazing one. So now let's give you an tip 7, that use it with other tools. Like pair ChatGPT with Canva for writing content before designing, then Zapier for task automation, Notion for organized ChatGPT response into a database. You can use Google Sheet for formulas, data cleanup, summaries. You can say give me 5 blog title option formatted for Excel, or write social media posts for these Canva templates. Boost your entire productivity workflow. Like I already mentioned, that ChatGPT is a tutor for you, a book summarizer for you, and quiz generator for you. In all in one, you will get in here. Like it is an assume that ChatGPT is a helping hand for you. Now let's talk about tip number 8, that use prompt chaining. This means feeding ChatGPT its own output for text next. Like for example, you can say list 10 blog ideas for digital marketing, or write an outline for idea 3, or turn this outline into a blog post. It's totally up to you. You are turning one small task into a full project using ChatGPT. Helps you build out large piece of content in instant. Now let's talk about tip 9, that use markdown formatting. If you want calendar output, use markdown. For example, you can say that format this blog post with headers and bullet point using markdown. Makes copy pasting into website, Notions, or WordPress super easy, ideal for writers and developers. Now let's give you last tip, that is set the time with ChatGPT history. You just need to go back into the previous chat and continue where you left off. Instead of restarting tasks, reuse your session for ongoing writing, weekly planning, and business strategy. Use on-chat thread per project on topic. And that's it for today. ChatGPT is not just for chatting, it is a powerful tool for learning, working, and creating in 2025. With the right tips and prompts, it becomes your ultimate assistant. Try these tips today and comment below which one helped you the most. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more AI productivity content. Thanks for watching.